For this question, we want to find the distance between the two towers labeled x in our image below. So to do this, we need to break this question into two parts. We first need to find the total distance of our tower, and we'll label that y, and then we need to find the height of our smaller tower, we'll label that z, so we can find the height between our two towers of x. So let's first start by finding our height of y. So let's draw a triangle with our height to be y, our hypotenuse, and then our horizontal distance to be 87 feet, which is given in our question. Now, as we can see, we also have two given angles of 40 degrees and 25 degrees. To find the total height of y, we need to use our bigger angle of 40 degrees. As we can see, 40 degrees is opposite to y and adjacent to 87. So that means we want to use tan theta, because tan theta is opposite over adjacent. Now we plug in what we know. We know theta is 40 degrees, so we have tan 40 equals opposite, which is y, over adjacent, which is 87. And then cross multiply by 87, where these 87s cancel out, and we're left with 87 tan 40 equals y. And then when we plug that into our calculator, we get 73 feet equals our distance of y. So now that we found the total height of our tower, we want to find the height of our smaller tower, which is z. So now again, we're going to draw out a smaller triangle with our height of z, our hypotenuse, and our horizontal distance of 87 feet. Now in this case, because z is smaller than y, we want to use our smaller angle of 25. So again, 25 is opposite to z and adjacent to 87, so we want to use tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. Tan theta is tan 25, and then opposite over adjacent is z over 87. Cross multiply by 87, and you get 87 tan 25 equals our small height of z. And then plugging this into your calculator, you get your height of z to be 40.57 feet. So now that we have our large height of y and our small height of z, we can subtract these two heights to find our total distance of x. So to find x, we want to take our large height of 73 feet minus that from our small height of 40.57 feet to get our distance between the two towers of x. 73 minus 40.57 leaves us with 32.43 feet as our final answer.